Hey guys, welcome to the unboxing by the new Tech Tricks TV. I have received my Redmi Note 7 Pro, which released on 1st of August 2019. Yes, I was waiting for the Big Billion Day sales, which happened during Diwali. This sale is can be considered equivalent to the Cyber Monday sales of US. I ordered this mobile 5 days ago. I wish Flipkart delivery could have been a better. Anyways, now that it is here, I'm eager to unbox it and showcase it to you. So alright, let's begin with the unboxing. So let me cut the packet. So here we have the device. It has been very nicely packed. Okay, so let's cut the seal. Be very careful. So let me open it up. So here we have the device, and let's see what do we have inside this. Okay, we have a cover as well. Earlier Redmi didn't provided the cover, so this is a black variant. It's a transparent cover. Let me keep it aside and let's see what else we have in the box. Here we have the charger, which is a Type-C charger, as you can see here, and this is the charger. That was the cable, and okay, so that's all we have in the box. And here we have the manual. So let me keep this aside, and here we have the device. So it comes in 4 different colors: Astro Moonlight White, Neptune Blue, Nebula Red, and Space Black. So I like black color, so I ordered this variant. It comes with a 4 GB RAM. There's one 6 GB RAM is also available, and with the internal storage is 64 GB of this device. There's one more available, which is of 128 GB. Let me keep this aside. Okay, so it comes with a 6.3 inches display, which is a full HD screen. Here we have the fingerprint sensor. It is a dual camera. The first one is a 48 megapixel and the other one is a 5 megapixel camera. The front camera is a 13 megapixel. It has a 4000 lithium ion polymer battery, and here we have the headphone jack, which is a 3.5 mm jack. So headphone jack, and here we have the power button, and then we have the volume rocker, and here we have the speaker and the charging point. So let me start the phone. So I will remove this transparent cover once I get the glass, so that to avoid the scratches. So it comes with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 675 processor, which is an octa-core processor. So let it boot for some time. So let me choose the language. I think I should remove this transparent cover as it is blocking my view. Okay, so it comes with MIUI 10. Let me go to the next screen and I will choose in the language. Let me choose the region. Region is India. Where is India? Okay, let me go to the next screen. I will leave it as it is. I will connect the Wi-Fi later. Let me skip it for now. So yes, I have read the terms and conditions. Go to the next screen. It is checking for SIM card. so I'll do it later. Oops. Okay, I'll skip this step. Go to the next screen, and it is asking for Google services. I will keep it as default. I'll remove this send usage and diagnostic data because I don't want Google to have my data, and let me click on the accept button. So yes, it is asking to set the password, fingerprint and only screen lock. I will set my fingerprint. Well, I think I will have to add a pattern. Okay, so I'll leave it, I'll do it later. Go to the next screen. Now it is asking me to enable the settings, so I don't want to enroll for the user experience program, send diagnostic data automatically. I don't want personalized ad recommendation. Wallpaper carousel is fine. Now it is giving me option to choose the theme. I will choose the default one. So yeah, the setup is complete. Let me go to the next screen. It is loading the apps. So the screen resolution is 2340 into 1080 pixel, which is quite good, and it comes with a Corning Gorilla Glass 5 with a dot notch display. It will take some time to finish the loading. Till then I will tell you more about this phone. So it comes with a 1-year warranty and 6 months for the accessories, for the charger. What I don't like about this phone is the hybrid SIM slot which is present over here. You can only insert 2 SIMs, or you can insert 1 SIM and the memory card is expandable up to 256 GB, and I will leave a link in the description below which you can use to buy the memory card. And so I'll just take out the tray and show it to you. So here we have the pin to take out the SIM slot. So it has a circular design. Earlier it used to be a rectangular design, so it is much more easier to hold. Let me take out the SIM slot. You need to insert the pin in the hole and just slightly press, and here you have the hybrid SIM slot. So you can insert either 2 SIMs or 1 memory card and 1 SIM. Both should be nano SIM. So let me just insert it back. And check if it has finished the loading. Yes, it has finished the loading. So it comes with a 50% charge, as you can see right now. Let me show you the Android version. I'll go to the settings, then about phone, and here we have the Android version, which is Android Pie. So it comes with Android Pie. And as I told you, my mobile is a 4 GB variant, and the internal storage is 64 GB, but only 51 GB is available for installing your apps and photos. So currently I'm using MIUI 10. So in the next version, as Xiaomi has said, they will remove the bloatwares, the softwares which are not needed, like these MI apps, the bloatwares which you don't like it. So let me show you the camera app. So you need to you need to allow, and go to the video section. In the settings you will find that you have options to record video in full HD. Okay, it has 4K as well, with a 30 frame per second, and full HD with 30 frame per second as well as 60 frame per second, and HD quality video in 30 frame per second. So I would recommend you to use 1080p if you want to run the videos on your laptop as well, because generally most laptops don't support 4K. Let me go back, and these are the default apps which have come with the device. So the design is quite good of this device. I'll remove this sticker. It has a flash. Here we have the Radiant display. Let me take it out. Okay guys, this was the first impression of the Redmi Note 7 Pro. I hope you liked this video, and I will leave the link in the description below through which you can buy this device on Flipkart as well as on Amazon. So thanks for watching, and if you have any questions about this device, you can leave a comment, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel New Tech Tricks TV, and stay tuned for more such videos.